Alright, so dating a foodie can change your life. Because when a foodie comes home and the other one's already home, they'll always ask, do you need anything before I come home? And all foodies know that means, are you hungry? Like, do you need food, snacks, or, groceries, milk in general, before I come home? So, it's real late. It's about midnight, and I just got done at the gym. And so I text Crystie and I say, hey babe, I'm on my way home. Do you need anything? Okay, so I let her know my route home, what I'm passing. Because I'm like, she's probably a little hungry, but she just needs a little something, right? So one of those places is Wendy's. And she tells me all I need is a small Frosty. Chocolate, of course. Nobody likes the vanilla. Chocolate. I said, are you sure? Are you sure? She said, yes. All I want is a small chocolate Frosty. All right. So I got myself like a little biggie meal, right? It's like a 4 for $4, but it's like a 5 for $5 because the burger's bigger. But whatever. But I have her small Frosty. Now, as a foodie, always order extra. What she don't know is I ordered an extra set of nuggets, chicken nuggets, from Wendy's, because about halfway through my meal, I bet you she gonna want one of these nuggets. I haven't figured out how to record it yet, but we'll see. I got them just in case, right? Because like your significant other will always pick on your food. You know what I mean? So if she doesn't though, more nuggets for me. But if she does, at least I had backup nuggets. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how it goes.
We're kidding ourselves if we think
Kevin,
people
that's
are
your
talking.
You're one of the Monterey Five, right?
700 in a while.
Lady said it here. How did they say it? What if we all scratch under some heads? It's gonna get us. It's gonna get us all. For her talking about. For why?
My son is dead. I want to know what happened that night. I'm very tempted to ask you, but
So Crystie doesn't think that was fair because she thinks that I set her up with the nugget when I ordered extra, so it was part of the plan. So how does that make you feel?
Betrayed.
Betrayed.
It was all set up. It was a trap. To trap me.
Did you enjoy the nugget?
I absolutely did.
Did you eat another one after?
Indeed. I have no regrets.
All proper planning, boys. Always order food for your lady too, even when she says no. It's just something little.
No shame.
Just some nuggets. And extra nuggets for you if she doesn't. DateAFoodie. Change your life.